Today is exactly day 8. The technique that we perform for him is the smart FUE. Today is a very important day, as we can see the hair that we planted according to angular direction is going this way, and this hair is going this way. This is important to get a natural hair transplant.
I'm really happy with the result. Even it's just 8 days, I can see the differences and I cannot wait to see the full result. Yeah, I'm really happy with the result. Thank you GLOJAS and thank you Dr. Jasji.